That dog, I can't stop laughing.
Hey! There you go.
Mom, what?
I'm scared he was going to back up and kick your dada. Oh my gosh.
What's that mule doing, Mommy?
He's digging in the dirt.
Why?
Stop smiling.
Why, Mommy? Why, Mama?
Anyway, stop.
Why?
Anyway, to swing.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
I didn't know they dug like that.
What?
I didn't, yeah, that's...
Here we go, here we go.
Swing around, swing around.
Just be still, no movement. Maybe he'll warm up just a little bit. Whoa. Whoa. He's getting an ass shot.
He's afraid he's gonna. Like they're like bees, they can help you.
I had no idea this was what the...
It just seems so simple.
I know.
Mule,
Yeah.
boat, church,
What's getting
Can you turn him all the way around?
I pretty much thought they're so used to being like, you know, on public.
That's food. That's food, Mom.
He's get. Yeah, that's right. That's to keep him happy.
To get him off the tree now, man.
I'm sad. Dad.
But we also might end up in the...
Dad, Mommy.
Yeah, I think the tree's alright.
Alright, so just bring him around to you.
Yeah. We'll try for a little bit more. I mean, if it doesn't work, try to get it.
Come on now, Beanie.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
What was Mom, what?
Little more, man. That's all I need. All I need is a little more. Alright, Jonathan, ready? Alright. Alright, get out of shot, get out of shot.
Hey.
Dad, come here.
That's the I'm gonna get.
Dad, come here.
Shh, Henry. You have to be very quiet. The mule's upset.
Oh, Dad, come here.
No. He's getting his picture taken. Oh my gosh.